You tell yourself it's just the cost of doing business. But what if it isn't? What if that so-called bad debt could actually come back as real revenue? Every dollar you write off is a dollar you earned, but you didn't receive. It's money you could have used to hire, expand, or reinvest in your company. Bad debt reduces cash flow. Reduced cash flow cuts innovation. Less innovation weakens your position in the market. Your competition's getting stronger. How do you cut your bad debt in half? Number one, change your mindset. Those write-offs aren't dead, they're dormant. 2, stop thinking case by case. Chasing a single invoice with an attorney or a collection agency is a losing game. It's slow, expensive, and reactionary. 3, install a recovery system. Stop doing this on an ad hoc basis. You need a system in place, not an employee, to solve this problem. The truth is, most uncollectible accounts are not uncollectible. They're just not pursued because the business decides that would not worth the investment. With the right system in place, you can recover more than half of what you're owed, sometimes in under 30 days. It's not magic, it's modern cash recovery. More revenue means more hiring, more marketing, more growth. You just need the right system to bring it home.